This video is intended to show you how to create the pegboard leg for the Pegboard Toy. I am on a new part, and I will start a new sketch here. And this is a rectangular piece, so I'm going to begin here with a rectangle. And I know that my width should be 0.75 and my height 5.75. And I will finish that sketch. And you can see the beginnings of the pegboard leg, and then I will extrude that out to 3 inches. Now from here, this is a pretty straightforward rectangle to this point. The next step is to put in the dado groove, which needs to happen here on the edge of the pegboard leg. So once again, I'm going to create a sketch, but this time I need to identify this skinny surface here on the front to place that sketch. And it is also a rectangle shape, so I'm going to place that right on the line here. And you can see my x coordinate is right at 0, so I'm going to click there and pull away. And again, from the diagram, I know that the width of this dado cut should be 0.375, and then the height of this piece is 0.75, because that's how tall the pegboard itself is. The next step is to make sure that I have enough room underneath the pegboard for my peg pieces to fall in it. I know all those are 3 inches tall, so I'm going to dimension here from the bottom of that dado opening to the very bottom of the peg leg, and I'm going to type in 3.5. That'll give me an extra half an inch for the peg pieces to fall through, and that moves up just a little bit. And then you finish that sketch. Then from here, it is straightforward as you've done before, an extrusion. I need to tell it where to extrude. It is 3 inches or all the way through. I need to make that direction 2 and a green check mark. And then from there, you can see our groove that goes all the way through, and that provides a nice point for the pegboard to sit nice and sturdy and strong. So that is how you make the pegboard leg.